Hey guys, I'm Tech from TeckDriven, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter in Toyota Tacoma. I had this car for about a little over 2 years, and not even once has the dealer offered to change the cabin air filter or suggested or did it in the first place. So the model I'm working on is 2017, but pretty much it goes across from 2016 all the way to 2020, and similar process applies even to Tundras if you have one. So of course I went with the OEM cabin air filter, but you can get probably even aftermarket. I'm not sure if there's that much difference between aftermarket and OEM. However, I did go with OEM because it was fairly cheap, and that model is 87139YZZ09, and of course I'll have a link in the description below if you're interested. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because I will be showing you how to replace air filter in Toyota Tacoma. That's under the hood. And of course, if you're buying filters, it's also possible to get a combination of air filter and a cabin air filter as a package deal for probably under 50 bucks. So in this video I'm going to focus on the cabin air filter, but if you want to see how to replace air filter in your Tacoma, I'll have a card right here, link below once the video is ready. So let's get started. So first we're going to pop up get the filter out. You don't need a knife to open the box, but I'm just fancy that way. So this is what the filter looks like. Nice and clean, nothing really special. I have ordered aftermarkets before, and they pretty much look alike. So let's get in the cabinet and let me show you what you gotta do. Alright, so to get started, you want to go to the passenger side, and the cabin air filter will be right here in the glove compartment. You want to open it up, take all that stuff out of the way. Alright, so for next step, you want to lift the left side up and slide it out towards this way, and this will come out. Now, hopefully you can see it here. You have this door. So what you want to do is first lift it up, so it clicks, and then it should just pop out easily. Then we have two clips on each side, on the left, right, and then this piece comes out. This is the cover for the filter, and of course we got the air filter. So remove it slowly, because what you see, it's dirty as hell, and I really meant when nobody has replaced it. So time for a new one. So take your new filter and just insert it. Slowly till it's in. Great. Then take the cover back in, snap in place, click, click, good. Make sure this is all sitting properly, because this is where the air will escape and your air filter won't do much of its work that it's supposed to. Then put the cover, arrows up. What I'm going to do is sort of put it in the little grooves here that you want to slide in, and then pop it down to lock it in place, and it should be steady. Last step is the shelf. So first insert it on the right, then it clicks, and then just press it down till it clicks, and start putting the stuff back. And you're pretty much all set. So here's the filter again, and this is Micron Air. It's the model number. I'll try to look that up and put it in the description as well. That's the one that the original one came in. And I think the dealership doesn't change the air filters because, well, the first 2 years or whatever, or the 25,000 miles is under warranty when they actually cover and do all the maintenance for free. And I don't think they want to spend the money on additional stuff like air filters, where they should replace it, but they don't. And please let me know in the comments below if you, for example, went to the dealership and they actually changed your cabin air filter. If they didn't, you're sitting with the same situation as me, or I'm just wondering if I'm getting screwed here by but my dealership not replacing the parts they should be. In my opinion, they should be replacing the cabin air filter and the air filter every year. I mean, regularly. Still the same thing with my windshield wipers. Haven't been replaced. I had over 2 years. True, I only have 26,000 miles, but I think they should have replaced it. So please let me know. Make sure you click like, dislike if you don't like it, subscribe for more Toyota Tacoma videos. For the upcoming videos, I do have 2 videos I'm coming up. Which one is going to be air filter, and the second one is going to be how to replace this thing on a Toyota cover. This one is the clip piece actually broke off. I have a new one. I have the part number for you and how to replace it. So see you around.